Hey there guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be showing you how to use Netflix Remind Me feature for new shows. To use the Netflix Remind Me feature, find an unreleased title under the New and Hot tab on your device, then tap the bell icon. Once activated, Netflix will automatically add the title to My List and sends a push notification or email the moment the show or live event becomes available. To set the reminder by device, all you have to do is open your Netflix application, then tap the Hot and New option or the Coming Soon tab at the bottom menu bar. Then scroll through the upcoming titles or trailers, tap the Remind Me bell icon located directly beneath the title or trailer, and you will be sent a push notification from Netflix. And that is how you can enjoy this Remind Me feature for new shows on Netflix. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.